Hello guys. In this video we will be looking on do-while loop in Java. Let us look on this loop with an example. Do is a keyword. Okay, let's print 1 to 10 using do-while. Let us initialize I to 1. Do contains the statements to be executed. Let us print I. Now while is used to check the condition. Here we need to increment I in do loop. Let us run the code now and check. The difference between while and do-while is do-while executes the statement in the do block at least once. Okay, guys, we'll meet you all in the next video. Thank you. If you liked my video, please do give me a like below. For more videos on Java, please do subscribe. This keeps me motivated to do more videos.